Guys, do you like the game Wood Nuts and Bolts Puzzle? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich in the game. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to become a millionaire like me. So as you can see, guys, I got all that cash. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is go to this website right here. And then you're going to see Wood Nuts and Bolts Puzzle mod, which you can search up if you can't find it. So press the download button. And this will start downloading the mod. Now this works on iPhone and Android devices, so I don't really give a shit whether you have like an iPhone or Android. It should work on all of them. So peace out. But yeah, if you go to the App Store and type it in, you can see it's super expensive. So let's just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in Wood Nuts and Bolts Puzzle. And as you can see, here it is. Then we go to in-app purchases and you can see it's super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it actually works. So as you can see, guys, I got so much right there. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. And if you play this game regularly, then you need to give this a try because it is super cool. So peace out, guys, because this is the best method there is. And Wood Nuts and Bolts Puzzle is my favorite game. So I will see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And if you guys are poor or something, like, you got to get the word out about this tutorial because it is super cool and it is so fun to play with more money on your account, because a lot of people are like just playing it without any money and that's boring. So yeah, peace out, guys. So yeah, just go to the search bar and type in Wood Nuts and Bolts Puzzle and then you should be good to go. So yeah, it should come right up. So anyway, guys, then just download the mod and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get the word out about this tutorial. And yeah, peace out, guys. It's super really nice.